Hi, welcome back to my precious garden. This is gonna be a quick project. I'm gonna do a container with only food plants. I'm thinking tomato and eggplant in the same container. So it's gonna be an experiment. We're gonna see if this works. So let's go. I decided to put the container in the front yard in this big container to give you an idea of the size, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna plant. I'm hesitating because I have these four. On the left you have the aubergine. Next to it there's a sunflower that really needs to be potted on, and on its right there's a squash, butternut squash, and yesterday it looked dead. I was so ashamed I forgot to water it, and I don't really have a space in the ground where squashes do good, so I think this one needs to go in this container. And then we have this tomato, and in one of the last episodes I said this one can't go in a container because it grows too high, but yeah, something needs to be happening with this tomato. So yeah, I'm not sure how many of these I can fit in there. As compost I have this one and this one, then I have some garden soil, and if this is not enough I also have some horse manure left. Anyway, I think I'll need to add some horse manure because they're very hungry plants. So yeah, let's first add the compost and garden soil and see where we're at. I didn't use all of the garden soil and I still have one bag left of compost, so I think I'm gonna open it, add a bit of it and a bit of the horse manure I have left. Compost and horse manure are added, and finally I think I'm gonna experiment with the four of them because I'm not sure which ones are gonna be able to live for sure. This one had a lot of stress, so we'll see. This aubergine is not looking really good. The tomato is looking fine. And as you can see, here there was the original stem growing. Something happened, so it died off. And this is the new one, the new shoot that is coming, and it's healthier than the first one. So this one I'm quite sure it's going to be okay. And this is the sunflower. So I decided to put the sunflower on this side because the sun is going to go like this, and I don't want it to be too high that the poor aubergine doesn't get enough light. There's already the plants there, but I can move them. Well, the pot also I can turn it, but yeah, you see my idea. So planting time, go. Beautiful root system on the tomato, nice. About the varieties, so the aubergine is called de Barbentane, the tomato is Jan's, and it's been repotted end of March, this one, and it has blooms. And the squash is this one, and the sunflower is the variety called Vanilla Ice that I already tried last year. I wanted to add, please be careful when using manure. It needs to be real mature manure, otherwise you have a risk of it burning the root system. So mine is one I got from the garden center. It was already mature and I've been having it in my garage for a while, so it's gonna be fine, but just be aware of that. I used the first watering can, then I've added what I had left of fertilizer, and now I'm gonna pour the second one. It's a small watering can, and then we're just gonna hope that all these plants are gonna thrive. Maybe at the end of the season they're gonna have some difficulties, but yeah, if you follow my channel, I'll be able to show you how these evolve. You can bet on which ones are gonna thrive or not, and we'll see who's right. So normally and hopefully this is the last container planting that I had to do, so I'm glad it's finished. And yeah, see you in the next one, and follow me to see all the evolution regarding all of the different containers that I've done, and of course the rest of my garden. See you in the next one. Bye.